You deserve more money. Facebook, Twitter, Thailand. You deserve more money. Everyone does. We work too hard to only get paid what we currently get paid. It's not a scam. It's simply using the assets you have to leverage a greater investment. Here are a few ideas to help you increase your income. But if you're reading this while you're on a website that highlights secured loans, you're probably wondering what increasing your income has to do with a secured loan. There are actually many reasons, so you'll have to read on. But first, one of the ways you may want to increase your income is by finding a part-time job to do in your spare time from the comfort of your own home. For example, you may increase your income by selling things on eBay or by working over the internet to design websites for people. This way, you can keep your current job but build up some additional income. Who knows? You may eventually end up becoming so busy that you have to quit your day job. This is using your asset of time to make money. The second thing you can do to increase your income is to invest in the stock market. This is not as scary as you might think, and it involves the same principle that you know from owning a home. When you bought a house, how did you think you would make money on it? Simple, just by hanging onto it for some time. Many homes rise in value over time. It's the same with the stock market. Sure, not all homes, and not all stocks, rise in value. But if you give even half the thought choosing stocks that you gave to choosing a house, you should find one that should generally rise. But the key is to hang on to it. You don't sell your house every time the market fluctuates. In fact, you probably don't know or care how much your house is worth until you're ready to sell it. It should be the same with the stocks you buy and sell. This is using your assets of shares to make money. The third thing you can do to increase your income is to get a secured home improvement loan. As you already know, your house is an investment, and if you can do something to increase its value, you should. Getting a home improvement loan is an easy and affordable way to increase the value of your home so that when it comes time to sell your home, it will be worth more. This is using your assets around you to make money. The fourth way to increase your income will surprise you. Consolidate your debts. Get a debt consolidation loan to pull all of your outstanding debts together and put them in one secured loan. The interest rate will be less, the monthly payment will be less, and the monthly payment will be fixed. A lower rate and payment will mean more money for you, and a fixed payment will mean it will be easier to budget. This is using your assets of current habits to make money.